Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and guess what? It's right along time again. So I'm going to do a ride along with this one. This is actually a clone, but I'm gonna check it out, see how it goes. This is Renheit, and this is by I think it's Fragrance World, but this is a rendition of Parfum's Fahrenheit, the EDP, which is the one that I like. The regular Fahrenheit, I'm not really all that crazy about. So let's see how we do with this one. Start out, get a couple of sprays here and there. Ooh, ooh, smells nice and a little creamy. It still has that petroleum vibe where it smells almost like gasoline, but it's creamed up a little bit, so it feels a little bit more cozy. And that gasoline vibe is not as strong. But anyway, it is now 12:56, and I'm starting out. So come along, ride along with me. Renheit Parfum. All right, let's go. Hey, what's up, folks? So, as you can see, I'm in the gym, and I came to the gym not long after putting that fragrance on, so it's not really a fair assessment. Right now, it is 3:03. So, I still smell it. It's weirdly enough, because it's still coming off my skin, and I actually sprayed it on my jacket too, so it's still coming off my jacket. So what I may do is when I get home, I might just start the whole ride along over. So just wanted to give an update. All right, stay tuned. This little check-in, I'm out of the gym obviously, and I'm back on the road, and this fragrance it's not gone anywhere. It's like maybe in the mids, and it still has that same slight gasoline feel with a creaminess to it, or warmthness to it, almost like an amber, or I don't know. It might be some vanilla in it. I'll go over the notes, I guess, later on. But I don't know. I may have to restart this ride along, but I'm gonna just rock out for right now. So, right now the time is what time is it? Let's see. It is 3:24. Hopefully that comes in, and you guys can see that 3:24. So I'll do a follow-up. All right, keep rolling with me. New game plan. Oh, I forgot my watch. Hold on a second. All right, so new game plan. I'm going to start the ride along all over, because the fragrance, it was lasting. This is the jacket that I had on earlier. I still smell it. I sprayed my jacket actually off camera, and then the tank top that I had on. Hold on. The tank top I had on is right here, and I still smell it on the tank top. It's not that smell of that opening, but it's kind of like a midway through the fragrance. So what I'm gonna do now, because I'm actually gonna go out in a few minutes, so I'm gonna start all over. So and by the way, the time now is 5:45, so the smell is still on the clothes that I had on earlier. So that goes to say, well, I started at 12 or 1 or something like that. So that's at least 5 hours. So we're gonna see how long. I'm gonna be out for a couple of hours tonight. So we'll see. Like my neck. Spray is like it's not coming out. Oh, there it go. And then yeah, a couple on my shirt. All right. So again, 5:45. We're starting here from here and rocking on through. All right. Let's go. Let's ride along with me. As you can see, this is really a real ride along, and I'm heading over to the next spot that I'm going to, and probably gonna hang out for a little while and enjoy life. So I know you probably can't see me right now, but just giving you a checkup, and the time now, it is, hopefully that time is coming through for you. It is 6:10, so shortly after. And I think I may have gone a little bit nose blind to this fragrance because I think I sprayed it too close to my face, because I'll go on points where I can't smell it at all, and then all of a sudden I smell it. So I may be a little bit nose blind, but I will keep you guys posted and keep rolling with me. Even though I'm in the dark. Oh, there we go. Got a little bit lighter. All right.
I was gonna try to do you for your birthday last year, but they was booked up like 4 months in advance.
All right, folks. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but it is loud in here. Just stopped in for something to eat at this restaurant, and it is 5 minutes to 9, and the fragrance is still going. I got a nice simple around me. It's not like anything jumping out, but it's pretty nice. I guess I'll give another update when it's not so loud. So I gotta put the mic up a little bit closer. Hold on a second. All right, so yeah, fragrance. I can still kind of smell it a little bit for me, and it is now. See that? 5 minutes after 11. So is that right? No, 5 minutes after 10. So I guess I'll do a wrap up in a little bit. All right. Still hanging out down here. Folks, I'm just wrapping this up. I recorded the the ending of the day and everything, and talked about the notes, but I realized my mic wasn't on. But anyway, Renheit. This is a really great fragrance. It lasted. I put the time in. Well, I'll put a clip of what the time was. I'll put it in here. Okay. All right. So the smell of it smells like the Fahrenheit, and the Fahrenheit has this vegetal almost kind of smell to it, and it gives off this almost like a petroleum type of vibe, but when it has an undercurrent of like this smoothness from the vanilla, so it makes it smell better than the original Fahrenheit, which I'm not crazy about the original Fahrenheit, but this one, the La Parfum, version of Fahrenheit is good. I like that one, but this is the clone of it. So yeah, it lasted. I think it was up to. I think I put it on 5. I think it ended up lasting like around 6 hours or so, and that was on my clothes and then on my skin. I think it lasted maybe about 3 to 4 hours, maybe maybe a little bit longer. But yeah, it's a great fragrance, and I was glad to use it. And I got it not too long ago, but yeah. All right. So anyway, thanks for riding along with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you were here with me doing this ride along with Renheit Parfum, not Fahrenheit. Renheit Parfum. All right. Until next time, it's your boy Will. Deuces.